So Talia is finally getting her pieces that I made for her. And we'll see what she thinks.
Pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that.
So that one has both the raw breast milk at the bottom and then the kind with the mica at the top.
That is so
we had talked about swirls, and then that piece just came together for me.
That is so beautiful. I love that. That is beautiful. Okay, let me see the next one here. Are these crystals just like little?
Yeah, there were leftover resin that I poured into a mold.
Oh my gosh. That is so neat. I love that.
Aren't they cute?
That is. Oh my gosh.
And then this was your bonus piece.
Oh my gosh.
So pretty. That one I found while I was making it, it was a little bit on the boring side. It's just the black frame with white in it.
Yeah.
So I laid the rose quartz in, which is Forever Love.
That is so
And then that's why I asked you if it was a boy or a girl. And amethyst is the birthstone
of my daughter. Yeah. That
so
is so pretty. I love that. Thank you
so I
much.
laid the amethyst in along with it. So it's got her birthstone.
I love that.
The Forever crystals and
I love that so
mama's
much.
milk in there.
Yeah, I'm wearing this at work today. That is so pretty. I love that. I had no idea that you were incorporating that in. That is so.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
They're so pretty.
And then you've got that little jar in there, which is your leftover. So there's a ton in there.
Yeah,
so if you decide that you want to make more pieces, we can do that.
Absolutely.
And the rooster approves.
Yeah, it does. I approve as well.
Oh, good.
Those
Thanks, Talia. It was a pleasure
cute.
to make it. I was truly honored to do your jewelry for you.
I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much.
You got it.